Hey, today I'm just sharing an exclusive sneak peek at an exercise video that's going to be in an update to the Healthy Hips program. So use it. It's going to help you improve your balance. It's going to help you improve your ability to contract and use your glute muscles. It's just going to help you overall. Without further ado, here we go. For the banded squat, put a long elastic band around your hips and find a distance that feels like you are well balanced and able to do a good squat while feeling your glutes and your hamstrings firing. Make sure you feel balanced. We're going to go for 1 minute. Here we go. With your knees, make sure that they track intentionally. So don't let them cave in. Don't let them wobble out to the sides. Make sure they are under control. With your feet, you can put your weight more into the balls of your feet. You can go more into your heels. You can go right dead center in your feet. Whatever feels like a solid, stable challenge is good. When you are squatting, you can also experiment with how much you bend over. You can be more bent over. You can be more upright with your body. It's all okay. Just keep working on getting deeper and deeper into that squat, feeling the full range of motion and feeling your butt and hamstrings firing. You can work on going all the way down or just stay in shallow squats. Any height, any position is okay. The goal is to make sure you feel your glutes and hamstrings firing throughout the motion, so you should always feel balanced and stable. Hey, if you found that exercise helpful and you want more exercises like it, make sure you check out the Healthy Hips program. When the full update is ready, you get access to the full update for free. It's no extra cost to you when I improve the program. You can find it at uprighthealth.com/DIY. I hope you find it helpful, and as always, I hope you remember that pain sucks, life shouldn't.